Do you find there's a handful of images in your camera roll that always happen to be rotated the wrong way? Well, to fix, tap Edit, then this lower crop tool. Then tap the anti-clockwise rotate icon until you've achieved the correct orientation for the image. The base palette also offers a rotate tool with a slider control and a handy vertical skew tool, plus a really helpful horizontal skew tool, which is what I'll use in this example to straighten the perspective shift on this framed illustration. I can also recenter the image just by clicking and dragging. When you're happy, tap Done and your image will be saved to your camera roll with those edits in place. Now keep in mind all those edits that we've just demonstrated there is all just metadata, again attached to the file, so it's non-destructive picture information. If you want to down the track go back to the original file the way it was, you can, you have that choice.